Hi guys, and welcome back to Taste and Bloom. My name is Yasmi, and today I'll be sharing with you how I make my mango flavored sobolo. The Nigerians will call it Zobo drink. So let's get started. So I'll need some sobolo leaves or hibiscus leaves, some crushed ginger, freshly squeezed orange juice. I also have here some diced mango, grains of selim, alligator pepper, cloves, and some lemon zest. So I'll go ahead and add in some vinegar into some water and then add my sobolo leaves. So this is in a bit to wash my sobolo leaves because sometimes it's got some sand in there. So I will allow this to sit for a few minutes before straining. Meanwhile, in my blender, I'll add my mangoes and my freshly squeezed orange juice and then blend together and set aside. So in my saucepan here, I have my washed sobolo. I'll be adding in some water and bringing to a boil. Whilst I do that, I'll add my ginger, my spices, and lemon zest. And then I'll allow this to boil over for about 10 to 15 minutes depending on the quantity of the sobolo leaves. So when my sobolo begins to boil vigorously, I'll just turn off the fire and allow it to cool just a little bit before straining. Now if you're new here, hello, please make yourself comfortable and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And of course, to all my returning subscribers, I am so grateful that you always keep coming back to watch me. Please continue to share my content and let's keep this family growing. Now that my sobolo has cooled down a bit, I'll be adding in my mango blend. Alternatively, you can sieve your mango before adding it into the sobolo. Also, if you like, you can add in some sugar at this point or any sweetener of your choice and then allow the drink to cool down a bit before refrigerating, or simply you can just add ice cubes into a glass or a cup and then pour yourself some sobolo, mango flavored sobolo. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you do try this recipe. And leave me a comment down below and let me know that you passed through. Until then, keep sharing my videos, keep liking, and let's keep this family growing. So, until I see you in my next video, as always, keep blooming.